Thank you for joining the YouTube channel, How to Get an 800 Credit Score. My name is Lyndon Baptiste, and welcome to the channel to also as well if you're new to credit or you've been building credit for a while and you're interested in ways to learn how to get excellent credit and a high credit score, get approved for loans, business and personal, get business funding, or travel the world for free or get cash back. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications. That way you'll never miss a single video as we make them here on this channel too also as well. All the links to follow me on social media can be found at the bottom of the About section of this channel too also. And feel free to get exclusive material and enjoy all the benefits of becoming a Patreon member. The link to join our Patreon can be found at the bottom of the About section of this channel. To also as well, over there you can email me if you have any questions or concerns or you want to share anything with me, or you can definitely get with me on Facebook too also as well. So thank you so much for joining. Today's topic is, do credit cards from big banks build credit just as good as credit cards from non-big banks? And basically we had a discussion with a member of the Experian Credit Reporting Agency, Experian Credit Bureau. And they do live streams every Tuesday and Wednesday. And in that live stream, which I attended, I was able to ask their representative a key question. I asked several questions too as well, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to give you a gist of what transpired with my question and his answer. Basically, that was my question. Do credit cards from non-big banks build credit just as good as credit cards from big banks, or do credit cards from big banks build credit better? And basically his answer was they both build credit the same. Credit cards from big banks and credit cards from non-big banks. So there's pretty much no difference in the impact to your credit report and your score. To also as well, the only difference that I care to notice is the difference in rewards. I mean, a lot of the credit cards from non-big banks do not offer any rewards as far as cashbacks, rewards, points, or travel miles. Some of them do, however. Okay, like the pedal card offers cash back. Let's see, what else? Fingerhut does not offer any cash back at the moment, although they do offer some discounts. Myjewelers Club does not offer cash back. New Coast Direct does not offer cash back. Merrick bank card. Then you have Indigo. You have several ones. You have Credit One Bank. They offer cash back. Okay, depending on what level of credit you're at, you can get cash back using the Credit One Bank card. Actually, we were able to get 10% cash back from using the Credit One Bank credit card. I know a lot of people, Credit One Bank has a bad reputation as far as credit cards, but we were able to do that with that credit card using it at Walmart. Now, that is only a one-time deal that we were able to find out. Although they do come out with cashback deals periodically. I believe it's monthly. They come up with new deals all the time. So, you know, I'm not saying get the Credit One Bank card, but if you're new to credit and you have been denied by the Discover It credit card, then maybe it might be something you might want to consider. Okay, so that's our basic video for this one topic. So basically, big banks, credit cards, they offer many more rewards. For example, the Chase Freedom offers over 1% cashback. I believe it's 1.5% cashback. The Discover It secured credit card offers 1% cash back and they also match the cash back at the end of the year. And when you're upgraded to the unsecured, regular, normal version of the Discover It credit card, they have 5% categories, and they also match that at the end of the year. So that can 5% can turn into 10% cash back to also. Then you have the American Express Blue Cash Preferred, offering 6% cash back at Walmart. Groceries up to $6,000 spend every year. So you have other credit cards. I mean, I'm not going to go through each one by one. There's too many of them to count. But those from the big banks seem to offer more rewards and cash back too also. So, question was, do credit cards from big banks build credit better than credit cards from not big banks? The answer is no. They do not build credit better. They build credit the same. The impact on your credit score is the same. The only difference, however, is in the rewards that you get. You can make more money using credit cards from big banks. So if you're interested in credit cards, you're interested in ways to build credit, increase your credit score, get approved for loans and lines of credit as far as on the business side or the personal, maybe you want to travel the world for free or make money using credit cards, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications. That way you will never miss a single video as we make them here on this channel too also as well. All the links to follow me on social media can be found on the bottom of the About section of this channel. You need to email me or join our Patreon group. You can join us there. Also, give this video a thumbs up. Helps out YouTube to better put our video in front of more people. And share this video everywhere, all over your social media, everywhere. Okay? And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. That way you'll never miss a single video as we make them here on this channel. Also, we have our live streams that we do every Wednesday at 8:15 p.m. Central Time here on this channel. Yeah, that's right. Every Wednesday at 8:15 p.m. Central Time, we always do a weekly live stream. So thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.